Hello everyone. You probably know how to install Suprema Biostar2. But do you know what are the must-to-do configurations once the Biostar2 installation is done? So in this video, I'll be showing you 4 must-to-do configurations in the Biostar2 just after the installation. And everyone must not avoid to do these configurations. Let's get started. So the very first configuration is selecting the browser. This icon you see on the desktop once you install the Biostar2 software. Normally we use this icon to open the Biostar2 web portal. But when the Biostar2 is newly installed and when we click on this icon, it says missing shortcut. So what you have to do is just go to the Google Chrome folder in your C drive, then go to Program Files, look for Google folder and select the Chrome application. Here in my case, I am selecting the Chrome as my default browser, but you can choose your favorite one. Now let's talk about the second configuration which you should not miss, and that is adding the SSL certificate. When you open the URL of the Biostar2 over the web, that URL says not secure, and because of that sometime your network firewall may block these URLs, and even these unsecure URL don't give the confidence to the user or trust on the application. That's why personally, the first thing I do after the installation is I activate the SSL certificate. You can download it using this button here. Then extract it, run this shared register application. And here on this box, you just need to enter the Biostar2 IP along with the port. Click on the enroll, hit yes, and you are done. Now just close the browser, reopen it. Here you can see not secure alert is gone. That means now the URL is secured. Now let's talk about the third configuration, which is fixing the IP address of your server. It is very important because if your server or system is on DHCP, then in case of IP change, Biostar2 may stop working. SSL certificate may fail. So it's better to fix the IP address first. So let's just go to the network setting. Let's just check what is the IP address. Then let's just go to the IPv4. Let's disable the DHCP, put the IP address details. Once done, just cross check if all is done perfectly and there's no any mistake. And moving towards the fourth and most important configuration, and that is backup of the Biostar 2. In the earlier version of Biostar 2, we were taking the backup manually, but now we have the option to take the backup directly from the Biostar 2, and even we can schedule the backup. Just go to the setting, look for the system backup, and here you can select where you want your backup to be stored. And this is the maximum number of backup you can schedule. After this, all the old backup will keep removing with the new backup. So it's like it will be like in the FIFO mode. If I'm keeping it here as an 5, then in case of 6th backup, first backup will be removed. So still I'll have the 5 latest backup. Here in our case, we will schedule the backup. We will schedule the backup here so that it can automatically keep taking the backup. I'll set the frequency as daily. You can choose as per your requirement and put the time for backup. Now what I'll do, I'll change the default path for the backup and create a separate folder. I'll name it as Biostar 2 Backup. It's 5:56 right now. So in 24 hours format, I'll set 17:57 as my backup timing so that I can show the real-time backup here. Now hit apply and wait till 17:57. And yes, this time here that we see, it follows the time zone that is set in the Biostar 2. So if any challenge, you can just check the time zone as well. So here it's 17:57 already. Let's check the backup folder. And here the folder is created and the backup is also in the process. Once the backup is completed for this folder, these files will be zipped automatically.